Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. The market is looking pretty red today. Outside is looking, well, outside's 50 degrees and sunny, but it's still kind of cold out. We've got Dark Bro, First, first in the chat, baby. Zachariah second. What's going on? The franchise is third. Zachariah third. The franchise, Dark Bro, the franchise. Peter, what's going on, Peter? Good morning to you, Nick F. How you doing? Zachariah. Pop Squash, what's going on, Pop Squash? Roaring Kitty is calling out BBBY shorts, now 143% short. Reddit squeeze starting. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond is bankrupt, man. Bed Bath & Beyond is dead. Of course they're being shorted. I would short Bed Bath & Beyond if I shorted companies. Gosh, dude, I thought about buying puts on Bed Bath & Beyond. Roaring Kitty, let them die. Let them die. They're a bankrupt company, man. Rozzy, what's going on, Rozzy? Looking good in that green name, baby. What's going on, Patrick? Howdy, y'all. Howdy to you. Kombu, Patrick. Kombu. Dark Bro. Kombu. Tony D. Patrick. Roulette Wheel. Leonard Armstrong. How you doing? 100%. This is insane. Oh, my God. Got another one, man. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond is shorted because Bed Bath & Beyond is bankrupt. Tony D, what's going on? DD214, Tony D, Dark Bro, DD214, Patrick, all of you guys. Wait, was Kombu first? Dark Bro was first in the chat. Let's check out the market and see what we got going on here. Arden, thank you very much for subscribing. If you're in here right now, Arden, really appreciate that. Let's come over here to Weeble and see what we got going on. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.08 right now, up 2.42 on the day. Shiba Inu coin, 10 at the moment, down 1.70%. Cryptocurrency getting hit today. Shiba Inu coin sitting flat around 10, trying its best to stay above 1,000 points per coin. We've got GameStop in the bottom right, sitting at 18.19 right now. GameStop at 18.19. Bitcoin sitting at 27,330. Loving this support line at 27,200. This is the channel we are in right now, ladies and gentlemen, between 27,200 and 29,100 on Bitcoin. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, Dark Bro is F-I-R-S-T. Dilly. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see all that water come out of this water bottle? To Dark Brilly. Thank you very much, Pat, for the authorized hydration. It's just so good, man. It's just so good, I don't even know what to do. Let's see. Come on, bro. Check out Peppa Inu. We're going to look at Peppa Inu in a second here. Government needs to step in and save BBBY. Where are we going to buy our soaps and our pillows? Oh, dang it, dude. We're going to have to go back to Walmart. Maybe Target. What is happening right now? Let's see. Good bro, check out Peppa Inu. Yes, we're gonna do that. Yes, I let Dark Bro have it. I didn't want to hurt his feelers. There you go, Kombu. Probably gonna have to start a GoFundMe to help fund my kid's dog's surgery. Dang it, man. Everybody, why are dog surgeries so darn expensive? You're gonna have to fly to somewhere like Brazil and have your dog taken care of. Mexico, have your dog taken care of for nothing. If you had to choose between buying ZIL or VET, which one would you pick? Crypto, I have no idea what ZIL and VET is. We'll look at those in 2 seconds. I first want to go through the market, see what things are doing. Then we're going to look at Peppa Inu. And then we can try to look at ZIL and VET and all of that. Clay, your thoughts on Arbitrum? Oh my. You know, I really don't know. So Arbitrum was that one that was down like 90% the other day because they went through an airdrop of some sort. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know enough about Arbitrum to really make make up my mind on it. I don't know why they're trading at the price that they are, and that would cause me not to have the insight that I would need to share. So I will be very honest with that one. I don't know why they were trading at $1 and then bouncing off that dollar mark, and what the airdrop was and all of that. But let's go through the market. Most people just let the dog go. Paying rent and food. Yeah, it's ridiculous, dude. Dog surgeries are very expensive. Take a look at the market right now. I'm going to tell you, they are out to get the market. They want to see it destroyed. It is curling back over right now. And the crazy thing is, The market could still drop another 10% to get over 10% to get back down to these lows that we were testing. But all of the stocks, right? All of those stocks that supposedly make up the market index, they're still low. They can't drop 10, 15% to get back to those lows that would justify the lows on the NASDAQ and SPY and so on. Something is awry, and it's the United States stock market. Guys, they're trying to drain all assets so that you and I can be forced to go to work for an additional 5, 10, 15 years. I mean, if we work until we're 80 and then we die, perfect, man, perfect. Not for us, for them. All right, coming out here to see the rest of the market, and then we're going to look at Shiba Inu. All right, there it is. Shiba Inu, after we check out the market. Let's make sure I still got you guys on the screen right there. GameStop sitting at 19.18. Biora Therapeutics up 1.58% right now, $2.57. Literally no trades on Biora Therapeutics, aka Old School Prog. AMC sitting at 507. Ethereum 1814, finding support around that $1,800 level. Shiba Inu coin 1011 at the moment. Dogecoin sitting at 7786, 7.7 cents. Sorry. Bitcoin treading water at the 27,200 mark, sitting at 27,348. Mullen Auto. Oh my gosh, dude. Well, these are some wicked candles you got on Mullen Auto right there. Mullen Auto back down to that 8.5 cent mark, right where I got in, but luckily I got out at 10 cents. So, very quick trade on Mullen Auto and right back down after that nice little bounce that it had. So, Mullen Auto showing a nice little bounce right here, but coming down, and very, very likely, if it doesn't find support here again, very likely to be testing all-time lows, potentially, 6 cents, 5 cents, 4 cents, and so on. So please be careful with Mullen Auto. Had a nice little bounce, immediately gave it up. Had the exact same bounce right here, immediately gave it up. So, you could see it lose another 50% of its value before it finds support again, if it doesn't get held up in this range right where it's at right now. So we'll put that line on there and see if it's able to sustain that level. $1.40 on Sundial right now. Sundial sitting down 1% of the day after bouncing off $1.29, all-time low. CEI sitting at $1.36. The SPY 408. BBIG 23.8 cents. Highcroft Mining 37 cents. Netflix $323. The QQQ $312, down 1% on the day. And the Ape sitting down 4.5% on the day at $1.45. Losses. The government wants to see our losses. They're just destroying the stock. Because they truly know, like Warren Buffett knows, that the stock market is a transfer of wealth from the patient, or from the impatient to the patient. If you're not willing to make it through this stock market cycle, you will lose your money, and those that are willing to simply hold will make the money. You have to make it through this bear market cycle. As terrible as it is, they know that they're going to take your money from you if you get out. Rozzy! Thank you very much for the member chat. Hey, you the man. You see LUNC and Shiba joining forces because most of the supporters of Shiba are supporting. I'm going to be honest with you. No, I do not. Why? Let me tell you. The communities definitely overlap. All right? The communities between the two definitely overlap. And I would say that the communities would not have a problem at all. Shiba joining forces with LUNC, LUNC joining forces with Shiba, and so on. But these developers, right? The ecosystem leaders for Shiba Inu coin, Satoshi and gang, Zaradar and all of these layer 1 developers, Tobias, these almost said clowns, these guys that you got out there building for Terra Luna Classic right now with their God complex going on, very similar to Satoshi's God complex, they would not join forces. So, no, dude, I don't see any world where the developers of Shiba Inu coin would be willing to work with the developers of Terra Luna Classic. No, not on the development side. The community side, yeah, sure, I see that all day long. But on the development side, no. I don't think that they would be willing to let their egos go in order to see progress. One of our cat died, and I ended up adopting it. Really annoyed me every morning, so I got the cat inside the car, took it on a long trip, and opened the car door. Oh, very nice, man. Very nice. You probably opened the door in front of a house like mine where I would be like, oh my gosh, a nice little puppy. What do you know? Let's bring him in and make him mine. Yeah, that would be what would end up happening. So if any of you guys just don't want your puppy anymore, you could just take him out to the farm and make sure he doesn't go to like the guy across the street who actually does have farm animals. Just let him walk up my driveway and we'll be good to go. Let's see. New puppies. Something I might have missed, guys. Bloodbath, guys. Buy when it's low and sell when it's high. Shibarium Dev Squad. Absolutely. I don't know if I mentioned it in the Terra Luna Classic video this morning or if it was a different video that I recorded. But it is true. It is an absolute bloodbath out there. And when there's blood in the streets, buy property. And there is nothing but blood flowing through the streets of the cryptocurrency market and the stock market right now. So buy cryptocurrency and buy stock. Simple as that. Even if you got to wait 5 years, man, gains do return. That's going to cost money too. Pudgy. The crazy thing is everything costs money right now, man. Not only did Ford have their ex-dividend today, so did SVOL. Ex-dividends today for 32 cents a share times my 83.5 shares is $26.72. At the current prices, it's more than 1 share per month. Boom, baby, stacking up. At the end of the year, you're going to have enough to sell covered calls on it if they allow you to sell covered calls on SVOL there. Jama Beans, what's going on, Jama Beans? How you doing? That's why dogs have a bunch at once. You talking about dogs having a bunch of dogs at once? Because a lot of them don't survive, is that what you're saying? Hey, Clay, what do you think about Terra? Lith 88 euro. Actually, don't know anything about Terra. Let's check it out after we look at Pepe Inu here. All right, Clay, bros. Been in the Philippines to spend a few weeks with my new girlfriend, so missed a lot of the streams. Number 1. Boom, baby. Crypto Rocketeer. That's what I'm talking about. Number 2. Dude, spending time in the Philippines with a new girlfriend. Oh, my goodness. Crypto Rocketeer, living the dream, ladies and gentlemen. Number 3, glad to have you back. Number 4, shout out to the girlfriend, whatever her name is. And number 5, is there a 5? I don't even know if there's a number 5, Crypto Rocketeer. I got ahead of myself on that one. LUNC is welcome to build on Shibarium. Everyone is, well, yeah, Shibarium Dev Squad, that is true. They can build on Shibarium. And Shiba Inu coin could integrate into the Terra Luna Classic blockchain as well. In simplest terms, too much ego. Yes. Razi, you took my very long, drawn-out statement and made it very simple. The developers of both ecosystems have too large of an ego. It's probably how they got to the role of developer in the first place, because they allowed their ego to just grow that large. But nonetheless, the Shiba Inu coin community and the Terra Luna Classic community, especially with the overlap, would probably be very, very welcoming to a partnership between the two. But I like the way you put that, very simply. I've been trying to buy XRP every chance I get. Tony D, very nice, man. Stacking up for when that lawsuit settles. I might just have to get it what? Tell the kids the dog was allergic to it. Oh my god, dude, don't do that. That's just, oh my god, what is this guy doing, man? He's gonna make me cry on television here. Don't make me cry on TV. You, Clay, bro, let's go. Solo, what's going on, man? I heard we falling to 25,000 Bitcoin. It is possible, Harris. It is possible. If 27 doesn't hold up, I would say that's where we're going next, man. There's way too many lines on here right now. But to pull it out in the bottom left here, you can see Bitcoin sitting at 27,000. This is the technical support. If it falls through, there's a little bit of wickage, okay? Bottom wickage. That sounds kind of dirty. Bottom wickage down to about 26,700 or so, about a $500 decline from where we're at. But the next major level of support does come in at the wicks around 25.3 and the bodies at 25. So, yeah, if we break through this 27, we're very, very likely to quickly test that 25. Keep that in mind. And if Bitcoin breaks 27, there's a very strong chance that Shiba Inu coin breaks 10. Okay? or 1,000 points per coin, whatever you want to call it. Shiba's its support right now. Bitcoin's its support right now. Ethereum is also at support right now. I think Dogecoin's a little bit, okay, Dogecoin's around its support level as well. So Dogecoin finding support in this range right here. But Dogecoin could be coming back down to 6.5 cents if Bitcoin breaks that 27. So good news and bad news, right? The good news is everything is at support. So it might actually find support and bounce up from here. The bad news is, if you're looking at Shiba Inu coin and all these coins, Shiba is finding a lower support. The last time Shiba was finding, major support in this area, back in March at 1,000 points per coin, Bitcoin was down here at 20,000. Now there's a big difference in Bitcoin falling through 20,000 and Shiba falling through 10,000, and then Bitcoin falling through 27,000. Causing Shiba to fall through 1,000 points per coin. So it does kind of suck that Bitcoin is finding a higher level of support while the altcoins are finding a lower level of support, because they will follow Bitcoin lower. That's the difficult part, man, is that the supports are not the same as they were a couple of months ago. Let's look at Shiba Inu, ladies and gentlemen. Shiba Inu right here. We'll check that out in 2 seconds after I say, Buzz, you want to get him a new healthy boat? Forget all about their old friend. Her name is Marie. If you want to do a shout out, but I'm Andrew, not Crypto Rocketeer. No, you are Crypto Rocketeer, man. I don't know what you're talking. Like, who the heck is Andrew? Nobody knows who Andrew is. Well, Marie. Boom. You already know what it is. Unless it's Shay Marie. Sorry if it's Shay Marie, but if it's Sha Marie, that's how I'm going to pronounce it. Sha Marie. Shout out to you and Crypto Rocketeer. No, they won't. I still ask about the last one that I rehome to Dogville, way out in the desert. Dogville. Oh my God. Hey, bro, take a look at Boba. Come on, man. I got to look at Shiba Inu first. Just tell me it ran away. Dark, bro. Find him more. Dude, you mean to tell me I had a cat? This is the dumbest thing because I'm allergic to cats, but we had a cat when I was in like 5th or 6th grade, and yeah, that cat just ran away shortly after we got it. Are you guys starting to tell me that cat may not have ran away? Now you guys got me thinking. You only had that cat for a few weeks, and you guys got me thinking that cat didn't run away. Let's see. That's all for Papa yesterday. That's all for Papa yesterday. That's to all. We got to look at Papa, too. Is Papa up, Papa down right now? I don't know what it's doing right now. Odds are everything is down except my precious metals. There you go, roulette. Dark Pro, finding more low cap lottery ticket players. I threw another hundo at Glon. 23, I haven't had much time recently. There you go. I don't know if you know or not, but why don't these developers for LUNC and Shib just code something to burn all of the coins, and then we all making money? Razi, 2 reasons, man. 2 reasons. One, Shiba Inu coin can't, okay? They can't code anything in burns with Shiba transactions because they don't have access to the contract. They could build a much larger burn in Shibarium or Shiba Swap and so on, but they don't want to burn. They want to skim as little as possible off of as much as possible around the ecosystem. It's not about burning to bring value and bringing value through scarcity. It's about seeing what they can build and you're willing to buy that brings them value. And the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem is a great example of that. You know, they're completely unwilling to burn, but they would much rather tax every transaction to put it to a community wallet so that they can pad their paychecks. They would never want to burn that money, even if it meant, creating value. They would rather send that money to their bank account than a burn account. And look, I would too if I was in that position, so I can't necessarily argue against it, but you also can't go against what the community wants. because then you're never going to get, you have to find a good medium and a good balance between what the community wants and what you want. Hey, I love the new intro and wish I could match your energy. Ray, you can, man, you can. I'll tell you right now, I do typically have a pretty high energy level. It is slightly elevated, right, on, because, you know, I got to go through like 50 questions right here, so it's slightly elevated so I can make sure that I get to everybody and all of that stuff, but I would say it's like if it's normally a 9, I try to go to a 10 on videos and live streams so that I can meet and match the people that are asking questions and so on. But yeah, it usually is typically pretty high. Started waiting, been here since 2022 of March, been going down like Jay Sean going, yeah. Harris, that is a very good way to put it. And let me say this, man. I'm glad you kind of joined a little after the bear market began and getting in June or since March of 2022 there. I will say in the grand scheme of things, 1 year is not necessarily a long time. And especially if you're looking back 10 years from now, you're going to be saying, holy crap, I got in March of 2022. Look how far we've come since then. Look, and guys, look, I'm not trying to make a political statement or anything right here, but I do believe, right, if 2024 comes around and people are a little hopeful, whether that is electing the same side that's currently in there, but getting somebody a little bit more energetic to lead the country, awesome. If you give them hope in that way, great. If there's an administration change and people are hopeful that the markets are going to rebound once again, great. There's a lot of catalysts that really could change the direction we're going because one of two things is guaranteed to happen. And this isn't just around 2024, but one of two things is guaranteed to happen as the future unfolds. Number one, things rebound the same way that they have done throughout history, and they continue to go bear market, bull market cycle, right? Or, I mean, the United States is done and over with, dude. The United States falls and the United States collapses into hyperinflation the same way that Venezuela and Turkey and all of these other countries are spiraling out of control and dying. And if that's the situation, it didn't harm you to invest in the stock market. It didn't harm you to invest in the cryptocurrency market during that time because, of course, hyperinflation kills those that have money in the market and it kills those who don't have money in the market. So either outcome, you're going to be okay. It's just the one kind of everybody's better off than the other one. Everybody, including those in the market and out of the market, are, you know, forced to restart and forced to either leave the country or deal with hyperinflation. So, yes, man, that's what you got right there. Clay always remembers to wipe the white stuff off of his nose before the live stream. Yeah, except for sometimes, like, if I get, like, a little dried snot or something right there because the allergies are bad, it's bad roulette wheel, I'm telling you. Papa profits yesterday, 76.53 off of 2,500. What's the next one? Oh my gosh. Killing me with joy, Kenneth. Killing me with joy. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now, down 10% on the day. $4.7 million market cap right here. Very nice over its all-time chart. It's been out for about a month right now and has actually been doing very well. It's got a nice bullish pattern over the last month. So Shiba Inu, ladies and gentlemen, it is looks like a green Peppa Pig to kind of take advantage of the Pepe and the Peppa and the Inu all raveled into one. So Dark Pro pointing this one out here. We got to look at Papa, man. What is Papa doing right now? Papa sitting here at, a very large decline at the moment. Papa sitting at 71.98, down 60% on the day. Let me be very clear, though, that if you're looking at the all-time chart here, just the last couple of days, this is still finding support right here. We saw this type of a decline yesterday when it fell from 2,200 down to 7,800, and then all the way back up to 1,700, more than doubling in price. So, yes, you definitely could see some support being found in this area. and then another bounce up. This is only 1 day old, guys. This is only 1 day old. So Papa sitting in a $700,000 market cap right now. If it dips, could be something to get into and you know, not necessarily worry about. Just a little meme lottery ticket. But Kenneth, man, killing it on that trade right there. Let's see if we got Pepe on here. We do have Pepe. Pepe is down 17% right now. Pepe sitting relatively steady, though. Pepe is relatively steady in that $100 million market cap range. So Pepe does seem to be finding support in that $100 million market cap range, which is very nice to see. Let's see. Tucker for... Dude, listen, whether you guys agree with people like Tucker Carlson or not, that age range is probably much more beneficial than 80-year-olds running to be president. Look, 80-year-olds, they may have the wisdom, but they don't have the stamina. I'm telling you right now, there's a huge difference in somebody that's 40 years old running for president and somebody that is 40 years older than a 40-year-old running for president. So, yeah, dude, what, you know, Tucker or anybody else that you guys want to throw into the candidacy right there, I think we can do better than 80-something-year-old people. Why is Crow pumping hard? I do not know why Crow is pumping. I didn't know that Crow was pumping. Let's see, Crow. Dude, 3% is not a hard pump, man. Well, 3% is a hard pump when it looks like this. Let's see. I don't know what would be causing this tiny little spike right here. It's a decent move in a coin as big as Crow is, for as steady as it's been. I don't know. I don't know the news on this. If anybody has seen, because this looks like a news-driven pump right here, especially considering, you know, you're not getting the same pump across the crypto market. So I don't have the answer to that one, why Crow is pumping at the moment. Harris, Kanye would probably get some votes, because didn't Kanye announce that he was running last term or something? I don't even know. I was talking about roulette wheel. That's the only thing that came to my mind when you were talking about white crust on the nose, man. Unless you're talking about donuts, and I haven't had a powdered donut in a very long time. I think whales don't like much Kronos. I am surprised. Daniel. Yeah, you got me, man. I really don't know what the Crow news is that might be driving it higher right now. Anybody in Paul Swap or Volt? I think we got some Paul Swaps in here. I don't have either one of those, Tony D. Robert Kennedy Jr., don't get shot, please. Yes, nobody. Listen, I don't want anybody to get shot, though. I did keep 305.8 billion Papa coins just in case it takes a run. Kenneth, man, very nice. 305 billion. 1 cent dream, Kenneth. 1 cent dream. Let's make it happen in Papa the same way they want to make it happen in Shiba and Terra Luna Classic. Picked up some Volt and Paul Swap at the last dip. Very nice, Tony D. Yeah, Volt's one that's been around for a while, and in Paul Swap, here's the thing. I've noticed a correlation too. When Paul Swap was doing very well, it's almost, it's almost like it was ping-ponging itself up. When Paul Swap was doing very well, it was getting a lot of negative attention from the current Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. Because, of course, the old Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is behind Paul Swap. When Paul Swap started to steady off, and that attention from the ecosystem team was causing more and more people to buy it. Because, of course, they were talking about it, people knew about it, and they were kind of piling it to Paul Swap. When Paul Swap started to steady off a little bit and come down in price, the current ecosystem team stopped talking about it and stopped fighting with the old ecosystem team, and the price continued to steady and consolidate to the area that it's at right now. So I don't know what the next catalyst would be for something like Paul Swap, but if it does get under the skin of the current ecosystem team and they begin talking and tweeting and posting about Paul Swap, you could see a nice rally in price that would cause it to potentially go back to the all-time highs there. and possibly even hit newer all-time highs. Zen is still free to mint, just pay the gas. Jama Beans, very nice. If you guys want some Zen, I forget how to mint it, man. I forget how to mint it. You just go check into the website every day, right? I think that they said they might start burning. Gotcha, EM. Yeah, you know what? I think they do burn Crow every once in a while, so that could be a reason that you saw a jump up in price like that. Ethereum gas fees have been ridiculous. Tony D, you want to know one of the reasons that Ethereum gas fees have been ridiculous are these MEV bots, or MEV bots, maximum extractable value bots. What they do is debatable in terms of morality. I think it's fine. Okay, but I could also debate myself into thinking it's not fine. But what these maximum extractable value or MEV bots do is they go in and they sandwich your order. So if you put an order out for a meme coin like Papa or Pepe, they go in and they front run your order. Okay, they pay a higher gas fee. Let's say you're paying a $30, $40 gas fee. They go out there and they're willing to pay a $100 gas fee. Well, of course, their $100 gas fee is going to take priority over yours, and their order is going to get filled before yours. And then they sell that order to you at the price that you want it for. So they sandwich your order in what they call a sandwich attack. Now, sandwiches don't attack, so I do kind of like the names that they're coming up with here. But they front run your order, man, with a buy and a sell. So they get in before you and then sell it to you. Their expense is the gas fee, and their profit is the difference in order that they can front run you with. So it is a way to high frequency trade. And very similar to when high-frequency traders were setting up shop next to the New York Stock Exchange or running cables in order to get data a millisecond faster than the rest of the world, if you've got access to that information a millisecond faster than the rest of the world has it, you can front run orders. And if you can front run orders, you can simply arbitrage the difference, and it might be pennies at a time, it might be fractions of a cent at a time. But if you can front run those orders, then of course you can arbitrage the difference in price. People don't think that it's necessarily fair. Okay, I get it. It might not be fair, but it's fine to do. You can too pay a higher gas fee to have your transaction prioritized. And what people are doing is essentially bidding to have their orders front run. And whoever's willing to pay a higher fee and take a lesser profit is the guy who's going to be making the most money. You know, it is life. You know, you open up a business, and if I'm willing to sell a taco for $1, I've got a lot of customers at $1. If you come in, and my cost basis is 50 cents per taco. So I'm over there making 50-cent profit on every taco I sell you. But if John Jay comes in and John Jay starts selling 60-cent tacos and he's still making them for 50 cents, you know, he might make, like I might have 0 customers and he gets all of the customers. So he's willing to take a lesser profit, but now he's got all of the business and I have none of the business because the dude came in and undercut me. It's an efficient market, man. I don't know. It's tough to see gas fees go up like that, but that's one of the reasons that they are. You make good profits on these memes. Keep some to keep it up, and in case it has a mass pump later, like Clay said, it's a day old. 7,653 made, so a 250 left in for later and cash in the pocket for the next one. Boom, bang, bam. Kenneth, I love it, dude. I love it. And I'll tell you right now, okay, guys, Kenneth had a decent play right there. Kenneth said I think he took 2,500 to 7,500. 2,500 is not a lottery ticket play for a lot of people. Kenneth has done very well in the cryptocurrency market, so please do not feel like you need to go out and drop $2,500 on any crypto play. Something as risky as Papa, okay, it could easily, it could easily go down 50, 60%. You guys are seeing it right here. We got to look up Papa. You know, you're watching it right here, man, down 61% right now. if Kenneth would have got in just a couple hours later or at the wrong time, he may have taken that 2,500 down to $1,000, and that's a tough loss. So if you're out there and you're trying to double, triple, quadruple, quintuple your money, you don't need to go out and drop as much as some other people do. It's all relative to what is a safe investment for you guys. Pudgy for president. Let's go. Pudgy, man. I would vote for you. Let's see. Here we go. Hey, what trading service do you use for options trades? Webull. Luke. Webull. My stockbroker of choice is Webull, man. So if you want to use the link in the description below, please do so. You're actually going to get anywhere from 12 to 24 stocks right now. You know why? Because nobody is signing up during this bear market. It's mind-boggling how many people are going to miss the bear market. And listen, I will tell you guys this too. We're going to know when prices are pumping again. We're going to understand when things are looking good. Okay? But please remind me when prices are pumping like they did in 2021. Remind me to specifically look at the amount of people signing up for Webull, KuCoin, Binance, and so on. Because what I noticed when Shiba Inu coin was running, Webull had a lot of people signing up. Voyager had a lot of people signing up when Terra Luna Classic was pumping. When bull markets are in full swing, people start to FOMO in. And that's when you start to get brand new customers. All of us have Webull accounts and Crypto.com accounts, Binance accounts, KuCoin accounts. All of us have these accounts right now. But when we start to see a massive influx of new money flowing into the cryptocurrency market, listen, this could be, it's just an insight, right? The institutions have this knowledge, and we technically do as well. Now, unfortunately, it's just my knowledge of affiliate link usage and amount of new customers. So clearly, my sample would be very, very low compared to what we would know if you're looking at guys like Meet Kevin or Andre Jick or like Graham Steffen and a lot of these other guys out there that are very, very large on YouTube and Twitter and so on. But nonetheless, we've got to deal with the information that we have. And when we see a massive influx of new buyers coming in, one thing may be near, and that's the peak. Why? Because you've got the FOMO that started. And the FOMO may be sustainable for a while if those new investors don't go ahead and sell off, or if the institutions aren't using those new investors as exit liquidity. So the same cycle that took place in the past, where institutions used new investors as exit liquidity, we may be able to use that as an indicator as, okay, we've been averaging 3 people per week or per month signing up and 1 person per week or month making a deposit. Now we hit 40 people signing up this week. Oh my gosh, we hit like 15 deposits this week. When it 10, 20 X's in the amount of people that are signing up and the amount of new investors that are out there, we may be entering that cycle of the bull market. So please kind of remind me of that, and we'll go over some of those statistics as well, because I think that is an excellent indicator of the bull market cycle. Let's see. Been busy, bills stacked up fast, plus taxes. How you been, bro? What's going on, Slayer JC? I hate taxes, dude. We don't need to go on a tax rant right now. There's an 18-year-old running for mayor in Toronto. Nice. Harris, you gonna vote for it? Dang, bro. I know how that goes. I'm doing good. Just hanging before work. There you go, man. Hey, what's going on? How about a little bro? That's been what? Hey, that's what's up, man. How about, little bro, you're talking about Dark Bro's kid, right? Dark Bro's starting to like a BNB way better. Pennies versus dollars. I just have a decent amount of ERC20 tokens and no cash, so I wanted to swap. Yeah, Tony D, the thing you got to remember, though, is it's more expensive for ERC20 tokens to scam you as well. There's a lot of scams that can go on in Binance Smart Chain coins because there's literally no barrier to entry, and it is so cheap to transact. So you might see more scams in the Binance world than you do the Ethereum world. Crow Coins is sleeper. 1 million users on Crypto.com last bull run. Over 80 million now. Holy crap. Lonnie, yeah, I don't know the usage statistics for Crypto.com, but you are right, okay? I do believe that Crypto.com coin is going to do very well during the next bull market when many people are signing up to use Crypto.com. There is a correlation between the amount of people that use those centralized exchanges and the value of those centralized exchanges. Let's see. Hope that's going well, but any money is money. I gotta make it to cover the bills. Facts on that, Slayer. Very true. Crow's been asleep, but it hasn't stopped me from accumulating my Sonic harvests. Lonnie, man, I love it. Yes. Please do not do as I do. Since 2020, I have made over 2.3 million in crypto. Never invest what you can't afford to lose. Even now, I still make small investment amounts. Kenneth. Very nice, dude. Very nice. And please use this. Kenneth, I don't know what you made all of that money in the cryptocurrency world, but please let these people know that a bull market sees massive gains along the way in all types of assets, not specifically just one. So that is amazing, man. And if Kenneth's got $2.3 million in crypto to invest, okay, a $2,500 investment is not going to be nearly the, I guess, the pain point that it would be to a lot of other investors out there. Patrick, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. Patrick's keeping me hydrated, man. Patrick, thank you very much for being in here. The only 2 super chats of the day coming from you. Really appreciate it, Patrick. We've got 9. We love the taxes. That was good. 9. We love the taxes. Running some cover for you, Clay. Thank you very much, Patrick. I appreciate it because 9. We love the taxes. My gosh, dude, the way you spelled it, I sound exactly like a German dude who loves to pay taxes. 9,920 remaining. Oh, yeah. We love the taxes. Oh, God, dude. Patrick, it's perfect, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. And thank you very much for reminding me that we do love paying taxes, guys. We do love paying as many taxes as possible. Everybody just got home from PT. Tim, man, glad to have you in here, and hopefully your physical therapy is going well. Got 100,000 Crow and holding Harris. Very good, man. Does AMC have the chance to get to $7 today? I'm going to say no. It doesn't have the chance of getting to $7 today. That would be a very drastic increase on the daily, going all the way up to $7 to here. The only chance that I would think, the only chance that I would say it has to make it to $7 today is if there's some revelation in the court case that's going on out there. Pancake! Thank you very much for the unicorn. I don't know who Pancake is, but we got a king unicorn, and I like it. Pancake coming in hot with a... Thank you very much, Pancake, for the King Unicorn. Absolutely love it. And thank you very much, Pika, if you were out there, for designing that beautiful King Unicorn right there. Loving the sticker. Loving the tip, Pancake. Pancake and Patrick, thank you guys very much for using Streamlabs to send those. Taxation is theft. You know, I'll say this. If taxes, I believe, were spent wisely, I think that I would have a lot less of a problem of paying taxes. If they were honestly spent wisely, and you know the U.S. was running a surplus instead of at like a $50 trillion deficit in debt right now, it'd be a much different situation. Timmy! Thank you very much, Patrick, for the super chat. And that one's for you, Tim. Little king turkey for you, my friend. I'm glad you're done with physical therapy today, and hopefully it is going very well. I am Pancake. Pika's Pancake. I love it. Pika's Pancake, and Pika sent a beautiful Pika design super sticker. Pika, thank you very much for being Pancake and for sending a beautiful sticker. I love it. And you didn't have to dox yourself, Pika. You could have stayed Pancake like that other guy is Pocket Burrito. Yeah, you can be a Pocket Burrito. You can be a Pancake. You can be whatever you want on Streamlabs, guys. Nobody knows, and you can change your name every time. 31 watching and 19 likes. Hit the like button. It's a proven fact when you hit the like button, crypto starts running. Not financial advice, but it is true, ladies and gentlemen. If you click that like button, it will definitely cause the price of crypto to go up. If AMC hits $7, Adam Aaron will dilute it to $3. There's almost a guarantee on that one, Tim. If AMC jumps up to $7 today, almost guaranteed that Adam Aaron drops it back down to $3. Nice, Lonnie. Hopes it all stays green. Absolutely true. I invest in over 90 cryptos, and they have their ups and downs. Last year alone, I lost over $160,000, but still ended the year with my bots at $380,000 in profit. Losses and wins. That's the game. It is the game, man. It is the game, and that's just what you deal with. Over time, everything should see some slow, steady progress as things just continue to grow. Now, in the meantime, you just have to make sure that your gains outweigh the losses. You will have both of them. And if you've got a positive expectancy and a positive hit rate, then you are going to be successful. If the losses start to outweigh the gains, then, you need time on your side. Simple as that. Pika Tim, Pika Pat, Slayer, Pika Dark. Oh my gosh, dude. You guys remember that Seinfeld episode where Jerry was introducing George to the closet girl, and the closet girl was introducing Jerry to her friend, and then Jerry was introducing George to her friend, and then Jerry... Man, that's what I just went through right there. Pika, Tim, Dark, all of you guys. What's going on? Slayer, it doesn't even matter as long as it stays consistent, which it has. Still make free crypto off of it. There you go, Lonnie. I'm the real Ooh, Outdoor Smile is the real Pancake. I like it. Outdoor Smile, what's going on, man? Glad to have you in here. Tony Doge is great for 3 to 5% ups and downs. One of the better bots to make. Yeah, and Doge is actually right below my lower limit on my range right there. I have my range set up between 8 and 10 cents. So it's right below my limit, dude. But dude, when Doge bounces back, it's gonna be a nice gain on that. Cool, bro. Check my last message for some numbers regarding scam percentages on Ethereum versus Binance. Interesting. He's got some numbers on this. The thing with Ethereum versus Binance is that you may face greater risk on the Binance Smart Chain, but according to my research and analysis, the amount of scam coins on the Ethereum chain are around 68% versus BNB at around 23%. Interesting. So you're saying there would be less scams on Binance, or potentially because there's more coins on Binance, the percentage is lower. Very nice, Dark Bro. So it seems as though Ethereum may have larger scam percentages. I was looking at a mining rig for Doge, but no anything at ground zero. So Tony, I've never mined Dogecoin. I don't know what it takes to mine Dogecoin, but I have mined cryptocurrency, and I will tell you this right now. You can actually get a decent deal on some graphics cards since cryptocurrency prices are so low at the moment. I was looking at used graphics cards the other day, and they're pretty cheap right now. So you can go out and buy some, build some rigs if you do want to do some cryptocurrency mining. And the good news is, during the bull market, when the prices rise, it's like you would have mined every day at those increased prices. Outdoor Smile! Mood, man. Mood, man. Mood. Yes, Outdoor Smile. Think of the good mood and the positive vibes. Yes, Outdoor Smile, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. Timmy with a green name. All American Breakers. Grabbing a green name. All American Breakers. I haven't seen you in here in a while. If you're in here, what's going on? Glad to have you. And very nice. If you're in here, please say thank you to Tim for that green name. Even if you're not in here, everybody else say thank you to Tim for that green name. Tim, thank you very much for that green name right there. I have come out from the darkness just to confirm the Seinfeld episode, Gone Postal. Thank you very much for coming out of the darkness to confirm the Seinfeld episode. Apparently you have seen it, so I like it. Dark, not gonna lie, I see more Ethereum scams. Oh, there you go, man. Apparently, Dark Bro sees more Ethereum scams as well. X-Chain is the new Polygon chain. Interesting. We got an X-Chain out there. I don't even know about X-Chain. Hey, congrats to All American Breakers, Slayer JC, man. Thank you very much for saying congratulations. Pocket Burrito Lettuce Head. Thank you very much for the super chat. You're meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring it. Oh, what is this going on? You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. YOLO, baby. YOLO. Pocket Burrito Lettuce Head. Thank you very much for the super chat. And whoever you are, Pocket Burrito Lettuce Head, you're the inspiration in my life. You bring meaning to my day. And without you, I wouldn't even want to live once. Was that good? I don't even know if that was good or not. Pocket Burrito. Thank you very much for the super chat. Pocket Burrito, you got it. Somebody's got to let me know if it was good because I felt like that was pretty good. I felt like that was a good response to Pocket Burrito. Thank you very much, Pocket Burrito, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Yeah, I did good on that one. I know I did. No thanks needed. I love all my Claybro fam. Tim, man, thanks. Always appreciate it, man. We got you. We got you with the thanks. Clay, what do you think about Coinbase suing the SEC? I did read the headline on that. I did not read the article yet. I love it. I love it. If the SEC is going to act a fool, Coinbase can act a fool as well. So I know it's a retaliatory suit because there's no reason the SEC should be suing Coinbase. So Coinbase coming in and suing the SEC. Congratulations to those lawyers. I'd pat them on the back if I could pat them on the back, and I like the fact that they're doing it. I don't know what they're claiming just yet. I only read the headline, so I don't know what they're claiming in their suit and all of that. But I did see that this morning, and I was like, nice. You know that South Park episode where those cops were all like, nice. Nice. That's me when I read the Coinbase lawsuit. Nice. Nice. Going after the SEC because the SEC is going after them. My gosh, dude. Look at all this red in the market today. My goodness gracious. I don't like to see all that red over there on the left. Stacking Slayer. Stacking. There you go, Frank. AVAX is on X. Ooh, Avalanche, baby. On it. Let's get it. Pika. Listen, I hope Pika makes so much stinking money in Avalanche. It's not even funny. Chronos partnered with Amazon for Web3 development. Harris, is that what might be driving the price of Chronos up this morning? Thanks, Kenneth. Yeah, it seems like a trading bot is the way to go. Trading bot is definitely a good way to take advantage of like a channel system that the coins can be trading in. Clearly, it's going to be a better situation to buy and hold if your coin runs up, 10,000x in price or anything ridiculous. But as these coins are channeling, a trading bot is definitely a good way to passively generate some income as they channel between support and resistance. There was one thing I forgot to mention as well. There is a greater transaction loss percentage on the Ethereum chain than there is on the Binance Smart chain. Gotcha. Dark Bro, that is also good to know, man. I was today years old when I found out a pocket burrito is a necessity. I was today years old. I don't even know what a pocket burrito is an actual thing. Hey, bro, decided to put some extra cash into Shib, or decided not to put some extra cash into Shib, bought USB, 3 of those, 1 AT&T, 1 Arbitrum, a USAC times 1, an annual dividend on long-term and temporary. Oh, it's taking $904 a year. Oh, gosh, dude. Dude, pretty soon, Frank, you're going to be bringing in $100 a month just in dividends there, man. Looking very nice, Frank. Forefathers. Yo, bro, what's going on, Forefathers? Haven't seen you in a while. Glad to have you in here. Slayer been challenging. I'm on seizure medicine right now, and I feel gross every day. Like my insides are toxic. Dang, dude. Well, Kombu, I hope you feel better, man. Nobody wants to feel like their insides are toxic. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Hello, Apes and Pika. Just hopping in to be here and not be square. If I wasn't here, I wouldn't be around. Well, you know what, Chris? We're glad to have you in here. Even if you're just hopping in for a minute, man. I understand people got to work. They stay busy and things and schedules and stuff like that change. So, Chris, man, very glad to have you hopping in here. Very glad to have you checking in. And very glad to always have you around. Of course, whenever you can be around. So all of the Apes and Pika. Yes, I love it. Chris, man, hopefully you're enjoying your day today. And work is nice and easy, man. We don't want work to be too hard today. J-Bones, the Bainkillers make me hilarious. There you go, Tim. Anybody want to buy my NFT? I don't know. We might have some NFT collectors in here, Harris. I'm not exactly sure. Pika, 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 Pika. Yes, J-Bones on the Pika. Where can I go to buy into this Pepe coin? So Forefathers. I don't know if you use like a trust wallet or if you use MetaMask or what your go-to DeFi wallet is, but it's probably going to be easier for you to buy Pepe on Uniswap than it would be for you to buy Pepe on one of those other centralized exchanges. I don't think that the centralized exchanges that have it listed as of right now are in the United States. So you might have to go directly through Uniswap. Should be very simple. You could just open up your Trust wallet. You could open up Uniswap through your Trust wallet, connect your wallet, make sure you got some Ethereum in there, and then go swap, whatever amount of Ethereum that you want to for Pepe if you're interested in getting in Pepe right now. Let's see. Forefathers. More importantly, where can you sell Pepe? That is true, guys. If you buy into it and you can't sell it, that's bad news. Hope you get better soon, bro. For real, you got this. Just kick its behind. Do it, man. It's Forefathers. Actually, Forefathers who share the account, or is it the one father named Four? The universe wants to know. I'm going to be very, very, very doubtful that it is Forefathers who share the same account. That would be very difficult for me to understand why I could see like two girls in high school, like let's share a YouTube account, doing that, but Forefathers sharing a YouTube account would be very, very strange to me. So I'm gonna go with one father named Four, Pika. Anybody checking revoke contracts on Etherscan? I checked a few things out and didn't like unlimited transactions on a contract, so I paid a few dollars and revoked. No, Tony D. So I've not looked into that. Most likely a countersuit to be left alone in order to nullify the initial suit to cease and desist. Yeah, I actually don't know what it was, Pat. I didn't read into it, but I did like that they had that they got a countersuit going on out there. I was like, yes, very nicely done, lawyers. Doesn't necessarily have to be a monetary objective when suing or countersuing. Yeah, and hopefully, I don't know, man. A part of me wants it to be monetary, though. A part of me wants them to go after him and get a judge that's going to side with Coinbase. I feel like, you could get a judge that sees the nonsense the SEC is doing right now and want to make an example out of the SEC. You could get a good judge. I moved my Pepe from MetaMask to Bitmart to sell it easier. Hey, Kai, very good, man. Very good. Bitmart is, I didn't know that Bitmart had it listed right now. There was several exchanges that did have Pepe listed. This is Papa. We look at Pepe. Nope. Pepe right now, sitting down 15%. The exchanges that do seem to have Pepe listed are as follows: BitGet, Mexi, CoinX, BKEX, LBank, PancakeSwap, Bitmart right here if you guys want to check out Bitmart, BingX, BTC, Hotcoin, DigiFinex, DeepCoin, Ocean, OpenOcean, CoinW, ZT, SuperX. So seemingly you can sell it on all of these different places right here if you guys would like to sell it on all of those places. Michael Allen! Charts, taxes, weekends with no streams. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen, ladies and gentlemen, the most consistent player in the game. Michael, man, thank you very much for the super chats. I do love it and really appreciate it. We've also got Pocket Burrito. Pocket Burrito, man. Pocket Burrito throwing out a King Unicorn. This is like really good King Unicorn hair day or something. Oh, curly unicorn horn. Thank you very much, Pocket Burrito, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. My goodness, King Unicorn is one of my favorites. It's so much fun. Later, broskies. Oh my gosh, on the question about forefathers' name. The name is 4 because I have 4 children involved in divorce. Gotcha. 4 fathers, man. Very good. That actually provides a really deep answer, man. I like it there. Guys, somehow the stream is already over. It is past 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate all of you guys for being in here. My goodness. We're going to do the shout-outs, and then, of course, we're going to come back in a couple of hours. So thank you, everybody, for keeping the chat going, keeping the chat awesome, keeping the chat optimistic, and a good place for everybody to be, man. Michael Allen, shout-out to you. Dark Bro, Michael, Kombu, Tony D, Slayer, Tim, Pika Power, Mr. Brian, Tony D, Michael, see you later. Frank, man, enjoy the rest of your day, and glad to see that you're making almost $100 a month on dividends. Nufo, pocket tacos today. Oh, yes. Nufo, man, enjoy your day. Sean, see you later. Pudgy, enjoy your day as well. Pika Power, see you later. Tony D, Pudgy, peace out of the diamond-handed Angry Boys. Ray De Silva, thank you for being in here. Appreciate you, man. Gorilla Invictus, peace out to you. Toodles to Kai, Mr. Brian, see you later. Kombu, Slayer JC, 30 Sanchez. We got D's, man. Later to you. Whitreed, Back to the Future. Michael Allen. Peace out of the diamond-handed Poodle Kings. Oh, I almost said Pudgy Kings, but that's a poodle. To the Poodle Kings. You guys know what time it is. Tim, you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.